Hello, my name is Trevor Leonard, and this is my final reflection for my senior capstone class in regards to the BTAS program. When I think back to why I started the BTAS program, I think of quite a few things. When I was trying to choose what college I wanted to attend, I ended up choosing the University of Cincinnati Blue Ash College because I wanted to get a UC degree. I wasn't sure what degree I wanted to pursue at the time, but it had really always been a dream of mine to get a college degree. I had planned on transferring to main campus after obtaining my associate's degree, but I was kind of hesitant about going to main campus because of the area of town that it's located in. When I found out that UCBA offered a bachelor's degree and I would be able to stay there to complete my degree, I was more than happy to make the decision to start the Applied Administration program at UC Blue Ash. I chose to pursue my bachelor's degree at UC Blue Ash because of the location, because it's near my house. I also like this campus because of the small class sizes and flexible course schedule. Most of my classes had between 20 and 30 students, which was good because I couldn't imagine being in a class of over 100 students. UC Blue Ash also offered classes at different times and in different formats, such as in-person, hybrid, and fully online. The program seemed appealing to me because it was supposed to be a degree for working students, specifically those who already had full-time jobs, which I had. There was also a cost benefit because UCBA costs a lot less than main campus, but you're still getting a high-quality UC education. Next, we are going to look at the question, what is the most important takeaway for me from the program? The first most important takeaway is teamwork. Throughout almost all of my classes in the program, there's been a strong emphasis on working in teams. This is mainly because the administrators of our program went out into the field and asked employers what they're looking for. Employers said that they're looking for people that are team players who are willing to work with others to accomplish tasks and goals. When we are assigned to teams in class, we are given different tasks and assignments to complete in which everyone is supposed to participate and make a contribution to the project. Some put more work in than others, and some don't put any work in at all and rely on the team to accomplish tasks. I believe that this is something that happens in most businesses, and it will be something that we will encounter in our current jobs or even in our future jobs that we would like to have when we obtain our degree. Through working in teams throughout our program curriculum, I believe that we were all able to further develop our time management skills. Most of us had a heavy course load, workload, as well as personal lives to live, so we all had to manage our time effectively to make sure that all work was completed by the assigned deadlines. In managing my time better, I have been able to excel in my current job because I'm effective in what I put my time into and how much time I put into each and every task. Not everyone in my current job has good time management skills, and that is something that I'm well aware of. Since I have worked through the program, even I'm in my last semester, I am proud to say that I am someone that has good time management skills. My successful time management skills paired with my ability to work in teams to accomplish tasks and goals have helped me grow in my current job and have helped me to become more of a leader in my current position. Since starting in the program, I have grown so much, and it really shows at my current job.